So you want to know how to get an ATM Business Bank Account the right way. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business that will provide you with consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames. Now, why would you want consistent passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames? That's going to be different for everybody. But most of the people that come to this channel to watch these videos, want to quit their 9-to-5 jobs. Yep, they want to quit their 9-to-5 jobs. They want their freedom back. They want their time back. Then you got the folks that want to supplement their retirement, or maybe this is their retirement because their planning wasn't very good before. And then you got the folks that are tired of putting out tons of capital to get a decent ROI, and would like to put out less capital to get a decent ROI. And then you got the folks that want to create generational wealth, legacy wealth for their kids and grandkids and great-grandkids. And then you got people that want this consistent passive income and the big chunks of cash for reasons I don't know because it's personal to them, right? And you might check off multiple boxes, and that's cool. But here's the thing. If you'd like me to help you start your own ATM business, I invite you to go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Better yet, click the link in the description. Working with me, I'm going to save you some time. I'm going to help you reach that ultimate goal of yours faster. Okay? So, before we get into this video, I need some thumbs ups. I need you to give me a thumbs up right now. Give me a like right now, please. Don't make me beg. I will beg. I am not beneath begging. All right. And then in that corner, there's an ATM, silver ATM. Click that ATM, subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification, select all. So every time I post a video, you're first to know about it. All right. So you want to know how to open an ATM Business Bank Account the right way. Okay. This is somebody who asked me. Somebody asked me how to open an ATM Business Bank Account the right way. And I am emphasizing the right way because I am glad that they asked me about the right way. Why? Because there's a wrong way. And I know there are people out there telling you wrong ways to open an ATM Business Bank Account, right? And the wrong way is lying. Lying, deception, deceiving, right? Not telling the truth, not telling everything. That's the wrong way to open an ATM Business Bank Account, okay? First and foremost, right? You want to be, I shouldn't say you want to be. I don't know. You might be okay with being an unethical liar. You know, if you're okay with that, then you probably shouldn't be watching my videos. Just telling you that right now, right? Because that's not how I roll, okay? But if you're not okay with being unethical, if you're not okay with lying, being deceptive, being deceiving, right, then this video is for you, right? Because you don't want to lie to open a bank account. Yes, it's hard to open an ATM Business Bank Account, right? Banks, are afraid of money laundering, right? And a lot of times banks are, the bank workers are confused, and they mix us in with MSBs, money service businesses, right? Which, come on, let's be honest. Logically, if you didn't really know better, we deal with money. So, logically it would make sense that somebody would think we're a money service business, right? Which we actually looked up the actual definition. But anyways, so it's tough to get your ATM bank account open. And sometimes it takes, multiple trips to multiple banks, maybe even multiple branches, talking to different people, right? But you don't want to be deceptive. So to do it the right way, you're going to be honest. You're not going to just go in there and say, I want to open a business account for my sneaker business. When you don't have a sneaker business, you have an ATM business, and it's for an ATM business, right? Because guess what? The bank's going to find out. They're going to know it's an ATM business and not a sneaker business. And they'll shut you down, right? If they don't work with ATM businesses. And quite frankly, if I was them and you lied to me, I'd probably shut you down anyway, even if I did work with an ATM business. But anyways, that's besides the point. So just tell the truth, right? People every day open ATM Business Bank Accounts by telling the truth. So it's not a big deal, okay? And it makes you a better person than the liars out there, right? Seriously, just go in. I want to open a business bank account for my ATM business. It's not hard to say that, guys. Okay, you might have to say it 100 times, but it's not hard to say, right? And you might get to the point where, they say, oh my God, well, we don't deal with MSBs. Well, you just have the conversation and let them know you're not an MSB. FinCEN even has a PDF that you can print out and take with you so you let the federal government tell them that you're not an MSB, right? It's just a matter of having the right conversation, okay, with the right people. Sometimes it's not the right person, okay? And it's a matter of having the right demeanor, the right attitude, right? Because think about this. If you're a jerk and you're like, I'm not an MSB, what are you, stupid? I wouldn't want to work with you. I wouldn't want to open an account for you. I'll tell you, go pound sand, right? Be nice. Be nice to people. It's not that hard. Be nice to people, especially when you want to, when you're in business, like when you want to open a business, when you want to start a business, when you want to get business. Be nice to people. This is not rocket science. Be nice to people, okay? Just be nice to people all the time, right? It's so much easier to be nice to people. And remember, you don't know what's going on in their lives. Even the grumpy people, you don't know what's going on in their lives. Just be nice to people. That's it. So yeah, tell the truth. Sometimes you might have to explain, have a good attitude, right? Sometimes you might have to explain that you're not an MSB. Okay, that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Just have that conversation, all right? And guess what? Sometimes you still might not get that bank account. So you might have to go to a different bank, maybe a different branch, maybe even a different person of a different bank or a different branch, right? It's a process, okay? Doing the right thing sometimes takes longer. But in the end run, in the end, you're going to sleep better and you're going to have a solid account, a solid bank account that you're not going to have to worry about somebody just closing randomly because they found out you lied or they found out, oh my God, this is an ATM business. This isn't a sneaker business, right? Don't be an unethical business person. Like I can't tell you not to do that, but I'm going to anyway. If you want to work with me, like if you'd like me to be your mentor, you can't be an unethical business person. I won't work with you. Like if I think you're shady or slimy, I am not going to work with you. I don't care if you say, hey, Carey, I'll give you extra to work with me. I don't care. I don't care. I sleep great at night. I don't want anything to affect that, right? I am not that person. I teach my students and I run an ethical, honest, on board, above board business, right? That's how I am. That's how I've always been. That's how I'm going to continue to be, right? I don't want anything to sneak up on me and get me one day. You know what I mean? So I encourage you to be the same way. It's way easier. It's way easier to go through life being ethical and being honest and just being a good person and a good business owner than it is being the opposite and being worried and looking over your shoulder and wondering when shit's going to go bad because you're going to get caught. You know what I'm saying? All right. So that pretty much sums up how to open up an ATM business bank account the right way. And again, who is this person that asked this question? Let me see. Antoine, I love that you said the right way. I love that. That's beautiful. It's beautiful, right? Because I don't want you guys opening up stuff the wrong way, right? It's just, in the end, it'll come back to bite you in the ass. It really will, okay? Hopefully this made sense. You guys got any questions about this? Post your questions below. You got any ideas for future videos? Post them below. Don't forget, if you'd like me to help you start your own ATM business, I'm gonna help you cut down the time it takes for you to reach that ultimate goal. I invite you to go click the link in the description, enter your email, watch that training video on the next page, and then book a call with my team. Together, you guys will figure out if we're fit to work together. And remember, if you're not ethical, if you're shady, if you're not a truth teller, don't even bother. Don't even bother. Don't even bother. All right? All right, listen. Thumbs up. Give me some likes for this video. Click that little ATM, silver ATM, subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification, select all, so every time I post a video, you're first to know about it. All right, I will talk to you soon. Carey Buck signing off here. May you live happily off of passive income. Hey, Carey Buck here. I hope you enjoyed that last video. If you got any questions or comments or even ideas for future videos, just post that below, okay? And do me a big favor. If you have not done so already, give me some thumbs up, some likes for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification and select always